better when I am in myself only. Yes.
So I prefer to stay at home and do stuff.
In group, yes. In a big group.
Obviously, I like to talk to someone.
We love people.
Actually, I don't like people this way.
I like myself, and I like spend time with myself, and I can think about everything.
Inside, because inside is more hot than outside in Poland.
That's a great question. Actually, I feel the best when I'm with you and I'm by myself. I don't feel quite comfortable in big groups of people.
I don't know which one I prefer.
It depends in my situation of mood.
I love spending time alone, but I also love spending time with her. So it depends.
But I prefer a huge group or bigger group because you can talk with someone else and with a lot of people, not with only one person. But for example, right now we are only alone, so
if the people are right and we like the things that we like the most, then yeah.
I like when doing new things and spending time with my friends, with other people.
we prefer travel in a big group because it would be more cheaper, no?
I need a good mix.
I don't know, I just prefer my own company. As bad as it sounds.
I think I'd rather spend time. It entirely depends on who the people are.
I much prefer to be with other people. Yeah.
Similar, but it depends on how open-minded the other people are. Yeah.
Mostly with group, because it's more fun, and then you can do a lot of activities, and you can share stories or whatever. It's like more interesting, and then you can learn a lot of stuff. Yeah, but sometimes alone. But maybe 10% of it. I might want to take a break and think about my life, and yeah.
When I am by myself, and also when I am in a group of people, I guess it depends, stuff like who I'm hanging with, and what is my emotional state.
I enjoy being alone. Sometimes I feel uncomfortable if I don't have my own time.
Maybe half. A lot of time I want to stay alone because I can focus on my interesting part. But sometimes I will also feel lonely, especially in the spring festival. Like these days, on the street you can see others are couple or families, and you are alone. This time I will feel lonely.
Maybe with friends at parties may be better than home alone at Friday night. Being alone is right. You're intelligent enough to be alone, but you have to grow to this level, being alone and being committed.
Preferably small, yeah.
Big groups.
Get too rowdy.
I don't like big groups.
I don't like big groups.
But I actually prefer a small group of people. I'm kind of an introvert, but that depends.
2 or 3 friends.
I rather small groups. I prefer to talk with somebody for like a longer time than rather talk to each lot of people with like 5 minutes. Yeah.
Someone's okay and some.
I mean, like a bigger group, like in cities, like public spaces. Yeah, I guess I would like to be alone. But in a small group, like being surrounded by friends, people I know, this is like really good.
person that I was with was more of a friend, and I knew that if someone betrays me, I can kind of either move on from it or it's in my control what I decide to do.
It's afraid of being alone, partially.